Hi, welcome to Gyan Race. In this series, we will learn what is Angular. Angular is an web development platform used as a front end. Means one can create smart web applications such as web pages, websites, mobile application and deploy it different devices. In beginning, it was an independent software making tool. Later on, Google has taken over this tool and at present it is maintained and supported by Google. Angular has its own programming language which is a TypeScript. It is one of the simple user friendly programming language. For that you don't need to be a programmer. Now let's talk about how Angular exactly works around. Well, it is an hybrid application platform wherein we develop one application which will fit for all devices. It makes our life and developers' life very easy and simple. Few lines of code we can develop a large scale application which will work on all the devices. In short, one application will be used as a web page for website hosting and simultaneously that application can be deployed in Android Play Store as well as iOS Play Store so that all Android and iOS users can access that as an application. Now we will focus on why we should use Angular and what is its advantages. Well, Angular has lots of advantages, simultaneously few disadvantages as well. However, I have mentioned few of them which are major impacting the world market. It has a very simple data binding feature which makes their application very fast. It is well efficient to load huge amount of data in few seconds. Another beautiful advantage is it has model view control architecture. That means for a separate work there is a separate file or a section which works individually. For an instance, if I want to develop a user interface, then there is an .html file is available. If we want to write some code or server connection or database read and so on, then we go for a .ts file which is a TypeScript file. We have another testing file which is default generated by Angular. In addition, we have another fourth file which is style file or a .css file where we can define all applications properties like font size, font colors, images background color and so on. All those properties can be rendered separately. As I explained earlier, it is a hybrid platform, so it allows us to scale our application irrespective to any device. It's very simple and expressive as it follows the TypeScript, which is one of the simple typing programming language. When I talk about speed and performance, Angular gives tremendous speed to load and run their applications. I personally have developed various mobile and web applications. Angular is one of the technology which gives result very quickly and easily as it is DOM sanitized and it has a lazy loading features. It loads the data, required data on a priority basis initially and later on all the relevant data it puts in a queue and brings it simultaneously. Only thing which we need to keep in mind is a right design. We need to prioritize which one is a most influencing data want to load in initial. Well, it has a huge scalability option. It can cater various thousands, millions and billions of users all together once. as it is flexible enough. Last most important feature of Angular, it is a single page application. What is one page or single page application means? Single page application means it loads the data once, and whenever there is a changes occurs or some data needs to be populated from database or backend, it triggers only that specific section or area to fetch the data. It doesn't reload all the time whole pages altogether. That's why it is very fast and efficient. I have a separate blog only on single page application or one page application. You can watch it later on. Now, finally, I have not mentioned the cons of Angular application because for me it is not exactly a cons. It's little bit tricky. The only two part which I see Angular struggle is SEO part. SEO, search engine optimization, where Google search application does not perform as expected like other multi-page applications. But Angular has flexibility for SEO. It is little bit tricky. Don't worry, I have all various blogs specially written on SEO specific requirements, which can easily rank your site on Google very easily. Second advantage which I see, it's not an disadvantage, it doesn't have any user interface like a drag and drop of button. For that we need to call ready-made APIs or functions to build it. Fantastic. Now I would like to bring your attention on my blogs and as a free tutorials and learnings where you can learn simply, easily various technologies like Angular, AWS and Python. In near future, I will bring more specific blogs for user requirements. Here you can check various blogs available for different topics. At least you can find out what is Angular, its architecture and why to use it, why it is so famous. Everything is written down here. Please read it and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.